In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. If you're new to Notion or simply want to learn more about its extensive capabilities, you've come to the right place. Notion provides a seamless way to incorporate various types of content into your workspace, including running pieces of code. This can be incredibly useful for developers or anyone looking to add a dynamic touch to their notes and databases. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, finding your way around Notion's interface can sometimes be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're just getting started. But don't worry, running code in Notion is straightforward. We'll start by opening your Notion page where you'd like to run the code. In this area, you'll need to bring up the command interface. To do this, simply type the / command, which is a / followed by the word code. This little command is your gateway to a variety of functions, but in this instance, it'll allow us to insert a code block. After typing the / command, look for the option that simply says code. You may see several options pop up, but code is what we need. By selecting this option, you create a dedicated block on your page meant for code input. Now this is where the exciting part happens. You'll notice a drop-down menu at the top of the code block. This menu is crucial because it lets you choose the programming language in which your code is written. From Python to JavaScript, you'll find a broad range of languages that Notion supports. Selecting the appropriate programming language is essential because it ensures that your code is highlighted properly within the block, making it easier to read and debug. Once you've selected the desired language from the drop-down menu, you're ready to enter your code. Simply paste your code into the block, and you'll see that Notion automatically formats it for you. This feature not only makes it look visually appealing, but also enhances readability, which can be particularly beneficial when you're collaborating with others or reviewing your own work. And there you have it, a beautifully formatted code block embedded into your Notion page. Remember, while Notion doesn't compile or execute the code, it does a fantastic job of organizing and presenting it in a neat, readable format. This can aid tremendously when analyzing code snippets or sharing your work with others during presentations or team collaborations. Running code in Notion, or I should say presenting code, is really just about making sure it's easily accessible and well organized. In conclusion, incorporating code blocks into your Notion workflow is a great way to keep your projects unified and streamlined. By following these simple steps, you can take advantage of Notion's versatility to enhance how you store and display your coding projects. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy coding!